My dear students, already in the last classes we have done the two videos. I think we have seen the videos. Today, the third one, part 3. Part 1 is completed, part 2 is completed, and this is the part 3. Today we are going to learn. Actually, already I told you it is a very beautiful lesson and wonderful lesson. Why? Because inspirational, motivational lesson this is. So in the last two classes what we learnt? What is the attitude is altitude. If your thoughts are good, we will go to the success. We will go to the heights. So that is the attitude means our behavior, our thoughts. Altitude means height. If our behavior is good, if our actions are good, and we will go to the success. And part 1 completed, part 2 completed, part 3 this is, and once again we will see, we remember what we learnt in the first two parts. In this lesson, the lesson is about the handicapped person, Nick Vujicic. His name is the Nick Vujicic. By the birth he was handicapped. So generally we will see so many handicapped persons on the road we will see. But here he is a different, the handicapped person. How he is the different? Because when he was born, he had no hands, no legs. He had no hands, no legs. So that's why he is a torso only the head, only this trunk only. But the God has given him, a small foot has given him here. Because of that only, he is writing, he is typing, he is swimming, he is playing, he is doing so many things with the help of that one, and became the successful person. So actually, when one person is the handicapped, nearly almost all he is in a depression. But here, when he was a childhood, as a child also, he was also suffered. He was also depressed. He was also stressed. What to do? I don't have the legs, I don't have the hands. What can I do? What is the use of myself living on this earth? What is the use? So what should I do without the hands? So went to the mother. Mother, I want to die. Told the mother. The mother told him, had given some courage to him. And however, after some time, again he attempted to commit suicide. But that was also failure. So after that, one of the two attempts to get the suicide, after that, at the age of 13 years, he had to read one story written by the handicapped person. That handicapped person, he was succeeded in his life. How he was get the success, how he was successful in the life, he told in the story. He read the story. That is the inspirational story, beautiful story. After reading the story, he understood, yes, I am a handicap. But this man also is a handicap. He is the succeeded. Why I am not succeeded? Can't I succeed? Can't I succeed? So he had written he was succeeded. So no doubt I have to get the success. Do something. So finally, he get the hope. On the life, he get the hope. Next one, what is the happen? And Then he got the realization. When that person was succeeded, why I am not succeeded? That is called the realization. When we have the realization, no one could stop us. No one could stop you. So the realization we will have. So without the hands also I can do the miracles. Without the legs also I can do the miracles. That means he got a courage. So like he, why don't I become thought like that? I do something for the people, I do something for the society, he thought. Next one. Okay. But when he got the realization, he thought, yes, I have no hands, I have no legs, but I have the beautiful eyes. So that is called the positive thinking. And there are two ways. Some are positive, some are negative. Some people are negative. Always they will say, nothing, it is impossible, it is impossible, it is impossible, they will say. The positive, they think it is the possible, it is the possible, it is the possible, they will say. When you are the possible, when you are the positive, all the things are possible. So, always we must be positive, not to be negative. Negative people always are in depression. Positive people always in a hope. So, and he decided, and I have to start my journey. He went to the school, and there also he was suffered, but he overcome. He succeeded in the school. He went to college, and he got a degree in the financial planning. Totally he was succeeded. And he started to giving the classes to the audience. He toured all over the world. He toured all over the world nearly up to now, till now, he had traveled 24 countries he had traveled. Actually handicapped person, but even though no hands, no legs, but he traveled the 24 countries he had traveled. And he had given the good speeches for all the people, for the healthy people or the handicapped people also he is giving the good speeches, motivational speeches he is giving. On seeing him, each and every person is the thinking, when a handicapped person is the successful, why I am not the succeeded? So he is the motivational person. Nick Vujicic is a motivational person, because on seeing him, everyone is thinking in the positive way they are thinking. So, like that, nearly I told you, nearly 24 countries, till now he travelled all over the world, and he had given, encouraged all kind of the people, encouraged the healthy people, encouraged the physically disabled people, encouraged all type of the people, he encouraged that. That is the story of the Nick Vujicic. So, when you know about his story, when you know the story, and we will have also that kind of the realization we will have. So, what are we? What we are doing? What we have to do? What we have to do? Remember, my dear students, remember always be positive, not in the negative. It will be done. Always think of like that. Always think yes. But whenever don't think the no. Because of that attitude, the Nick Vujicic, today he was a successful person. He travelled all over the world and giving the good speeches before the big crowdings is giving the good speeches he is giving. In the stadiums also he is giving the speeches. And he got married. He had children. He had a good life. So when one handicapped person is succeeded, why we are not succeeded in our life? We have to think of that. He had a hope. When he has a hope, that means he got the success. So, once again I am telling that, and he is a successful person. Next one, here you see, actually he was born in Australia, but finally he went to the Los Angeles. Now he is living in the Los Angeles only. But whatever he is giving the one message, all of us is giving, particularly for the handicapped people, he is giving the one kind of the message. What the message he is giving? If I encourage the one person, if I encourage my person, my job is done in the life. If I encourage the one person, my job is done in the life. The same quotation, it was quoted by the Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa also quoted the same quotation. If I help the one person, then my job is done in my life. She quoted the quotation, beautiful quotation she had given. So, my dear students, what I am telling to you, and we do not waste our time. Don't waste the time, because the time is precious than the money. The time is precious than the anything. So, when the time is gone, it won't come back. So, that's why, what should we do? And always we should be positive, always optimistic, and not only that, and always we have to think we can do anything. We are also successful in the life. Always we have the hope, that kind of the hope we will have. My dear students, once again I am telling to you, and nearly already I told you, he was a handicapped, particularly totally handicapped, even though he played, he typed. So many things he had done. How is it possible? Because of the attitude. When attitude is the good, the attitude leads to the altitude. Remember that. Change your mindset. Don't waste the time. Read, and learn. This is the total of the attitude is the altitude. About the neck which is sick. Neck which is sick. Thank you, one and all.